Hi friends, today we will discuss about the separation of core losses in transformer. Okay, so core loss consists of two losses again. One is hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. These two losses combinedly we call it as core loss. Eddy current loss. Okay, hysteresis loss I am representing WH, eddy current loss I am representing with the symbol WE. Okay, and we know the formulas for hysteresis loss. It is eta is a constant and Bmax power 1.6 F into V, where Bmax is the maximum flux density, F is the frequency of flux reversals, that is nothing but the frequency of supply, and V is the volume of the core in meter cube, and F units are in hertz and Bmax in Tesla, Weber per meter square. Okay, and now volume of the core is constant and eta is also constant. So WH is equal to some constant A, okay, some constant A into Bmax whole power 1.6 into F. Okay, so similarly eddy current loss, some constant K, Bmax whole square F square T square. Okay, Bmax is the maximum flux density, F is the frequency of supply, and T is the thickness of lamination. Here T is the thickness of lamination. So WE, that means eddy current loss, is equal to some constant B, thickness is constant, K is a constant, and Bmax square into F square. Okay, so now we will discuss two cases. Okay, we will discuss two cases. Case 1, if V by F is equal to constant. Okay, V by F is equal to constant. When V by F is equal to constant, that means maximum flux density is also constant. Okay, when voltage by frequency ratio is constant, means the maximum flux density in the core of a transformer is also constant. So now this is also constant. So WH is equal to, so A into F. So I have combined this constant also here, so it will become A into F, and eddy current loss is equal to B into F square. Okay, so the total iron loss Wi is equal to WH plus WE, hysteresis loss plus eddy current loss. So Wi is equal to AF plus BF square. Okay, so this is the equation. That means if you want to separate the core loss, that means into hysteresis and eddy current loss. If you want to separate the core loss into hysteresis and eddy current loss, you have to do the open circuit test, okay, and find the core loss at one frequency, and again do the same open circuit test and find the iron loss at another frequency. Okay, so that you will get the constants A and B. Why we are doing two times? Because we have two constants here, we have to find two unknowns. Okay, so we will get two equations and we will get the unknowns A and B. So if A and B are known, then you can find simply by using these formulas at any frequency. Okay, so like this you can separate core loss into hysteresis and eddy current loss. Okay, now let us see case 2. Okay, let us see case 2. If V by F is not constant. Okay, if V by F is not constant, that means Bmax is not constant. Understand? Bmax is not constant. So WH is equal to some constant A into Bmax. In place of Bmax, we will write V by F whole power 1.6 and F. Okay, so it will become A into V power 1.6 F power minus 0.6. See, now the equation changes like this. So before, if V by F is constant, WH is proportional to only F. Okay, but if V by F is not constant, WH is equal to A into V power 1.6. It depends on both voltage and frequency. Okay, now let us see his eddy current loss. Eddy current loss is equal to B into, okay, So B max square, in place of B max we will substitute V by F whole square into F square. So with this F square and F square will cancel, you will get only B into V square. Okay, this is the equation now. So if V by F is constant, the eddy current loss is proportional to square of the frequency. If V by F is not constant, the eddy current loss is proportional to square of the voltage. Okay, see the equation changes drastically. Okay, here it does not depend on the voltage, here it does not depend on the frequency. Okay, so now the total loss, the total iron loss Wi is equal to Wh plus We. Okay, that is equal to A V power 1.6 F power minus 0.6 plus B V square. Okay, so this is the equation you have to follow when V by F is not constant. Okay, thank you.